So we said in our previous lesson that we have 15 consonants in the Chi alphabet system, right? Yeah. So let's go over these 15 consonants while using them in some word examples. Okay? And we start with B. 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 And for word examples, we have bidie. 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 Obibini. 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 Okay? The next consonant is D. 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 And for word examples, we have dadie. 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 And dia. 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 All right. The next consonant we have f. And for word examples we have fita. 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 Okay. And afidie. 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 Okay, the next consonant is G. 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 And for word examples, we have agro. 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 Okay, and then we have go. 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 Okay, let's move to the next one, and we have all right, and for word examples we have hram. 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 All right, and then we have ahrawa. 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 Okay, now the next consonant is k. 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 And for word examples we have contain. 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 All right, and then we have kesie. 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 Okay, let's move to the next consonant, and that is and for word examples we have lorry. Lorry. Okay, lorry. This is obviously borrowed. And then for the next word example we have ludu. Ludu. Okay, ludu, another borrowed word. Ludu. It appears the letter was originally not part of the Chi alphabet system. Okay, and I'm saying this because almost all the Chi words that I know of that contain the letter are either borrowed, okay, so like borrowed from English, or resulted from another letter having changed through usage, okay, to the So for instance, we have akwada, okay, akwada, but sometimes you'd also hear akwala, right? So apart from this instance and the instance where it is a borrowed word, for example, lorry, ludu, bola, okay? So apart from these two instances, I don't know of any original tree word that contains the letter L. Okay, let's go to the next consonant, and we have okay, and for word examples we have mukaase, 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 okay, and then we have mia, okay, mia, mia. And for the next consonant we have okay, and we have word examples as noa, 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 okay, and then we have niema, 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 okay, niema. The next one is p, 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 okay, and for word examples we have pra, 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 okay, pra, and then we have pia, 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 pia. Okay, the next one is hr, 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 okay, and for word examples we have Christoni, 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 okay, Christoni, and then we have cremoni, 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 okay. Let's go to the next one. We have s, 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 okay, as S in English, right? So we have s, s, s. And for word examples we have swa, 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 okay, and then we have sika, 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 okay. Now the next consonant we have t, 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 okay, and for word examples we have tenten, 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 okay, tenten, and then we have tiatia, 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 okay. Now let's go to the next one. We have w, 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 okay, and for this we have woso, 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 okay, woso, and then we have wia, 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 wia. Okay, and for the last one we have ye, 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 ye. And for word examples we have yafunu, yafunu. Okay, yafunu, yafunu, and yoma, yoma, yoma.